Hey guys, Vincent Wynn here for Slash Gear. Super exciting day because I am unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro. If you're looking for the iPhone 12, my colleague Chris Davies is actually reviewing that unit for Slash Gear. I'm going to be focusing on the 12 Pro, and with that, let's go ahead and dig into the box. Whew, look at that. The goods. Okay, so I specifically asked for a certain color to review for Slash Gear, and it happens to be the gold version. Why? I mean, not just because it's new for the iPhone 12, but you know, ever since Apple released the iPhone, the very first iPhone, years and years and years ago. Yes, I was one of those crazy person that lined up. I was actually number 8, just to share that information with you. I always knew that the iPhone, after using all the other smartphones back then, up until now, the iPhone has always been the gold standard for everything from processing, display resolution, to the camera quality. And in the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, it still holds true today. So the gold is really special to me. So let's put that aside and see what else is in the package here. We've got 2 cases and the Magsafe. I'm super excited about the Magsafe because it's been a long time coming since the MacBook Pro way back in the days when Apple was using Magsafe. So I'm happy to see that it's coming to the, or it's here for the iPhone 12. All right, so I got in the iPhone 12, 12 Pro silicon case with Magsafe, 12, 12 Pro in the case, the green and black, and the charger. But I just want to jump straight into the main event here. I want to make a quick note while I unbox this that the box is essentially, I mean, it's over half the size of what you would expect from a box for the iPhone compared to previous generations. So that's really amazing. So let's go ahead and, that sounds so good. Okay, toss that aside. I love the details on the outside, the emboss. I mean, this is almost like something you would want to just put up. It's so beautiful. It's like a piece of art in itself. So let's take a look here. All right, so this is the back of the gold version of the iPhone 12 Pro. Surgical stainless steel all around. That looks so good. It just feels so good to hold. In fact, this is one of my favorite design of all time where the edges are just real sharp, easy to hold. So yeah, absolutely love this design form factor. So this is the, this little shield is to protect the screen while it's in the box. We'll peel that off with some instructions on the side, of course. Let's see here, power button, volume up, down, and mute button here. So that is the display for the 6.1 inch iPhone 12 Pro with all new cameras on the back. Oh, guys, it's just so great to hold. All right, so we'll put that aside really quick here. What else is in here? USB-C to Lightning. And just some instruction, informational stuff. All right, put that aside. Let's go ahead and unbox the cases really quick here. Curious to see what they look like. Pop that off. It's nice. It's not transparent. You can't see through the case, but it still feels really nice. Obviously, the Magsafe in the back. All right, put that aside as well. Same with this one. This is the green, I believe. take a look at this one. Same deal. It's just green instead of blackish gray. And now to my favorite accessory, is the Magsafe charger. Uses USB-C charging port here. USB-C. Alright, peel this off, tear this off, and there it is. It's kind of like a disc, if you will. Or, you know, the charger for the Apple Watch. And you simply it just clicks on, just like that. You can have it on your desk, your nightstand, wherever. And that is it for the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro, along with the Magsafe charger and a couple of cases here. Thanks for watching. Vincent Nguyen here for Slash Gear. Be sure to check out Slash Gear on YouTube and slashgear.com for our review of the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro.